you know who this is. Lucky so around here cooking again. I'm trying to go outside and hood rap with my friends, but COVID-19 just got me stuck within. Like, you never talk like this, you never walk like this. Look at this goddamn wrist, that shit shine a little bit. I'm going man with the shit. She said I come along with the lucky, so you know who this is. Silly rap to open tricks like, got this blue on, you might think I'm crippin' liar, sipping a double cup, don't worry about what I'm sipping liar, I'ma be in that kitchen just a whipping liar, You not subscribed to this channel, you must be tripping like what? Let me chill. What's up, y'all? Okay, I'm not a rapper. Let's get out the way. I'm not a rapper. I don't rap, I don't do that. But that was just for this video. Okay, I'm going to show y'all how I made stuffed corned beef potatoes. Stuffed corned beef potatoes, he sound like he on or something. I am on or something. It was delicious, okay? It was delicious. It's gone now. That shit sold. I can't even show y'all like a fresh live piece of the potato because it's gone. It's gone. I ate that last night. Luckily, I'm gonna show you a process of me making it. Now, when I was a kid at this place in Detroit, Michigan called Bread and Basket, it's like the OG place of all corned beef places around Detroit. All I remember when I was a kid, that I didn't get that shit too much. My mom didn't buy it too much. It was like candy from Willy Wonka. Like, it was rare. So we didn't get it. It was a luxury because them sandwiches it's like $13 a piece. I'm like, bro, that's a lot. So when I got older, I started craving corned beef because I had my own money to buy it, and it was like, okay, I just gotta get it. Now that I have the means to get it, I'm just going to get some corned beef. I was sitting around thinking one day, like, you know what? I'm going to make some potatoes. I'm gonna get some potatoes, cut that boy up and carve it out into a bowl. And I'm gonna take some corned beef and I'm gonna cook it. And I'm gonna put the corned beef inside of the potato. And I'm going to make something so delicioso. Y'all gonna love, period. But
playing
like,
from Galaxy S10 Plus.
We gonna rock out. We're gonna rock out. Hopefully y'all like it. Hopefully y'all can try this at home. This can be a meal that y'all can make for parties. Now, me, I wouldn't make this for no party. Like, I paid like $35 for this corned beef that I cooked in this video. I'd be damned if I give my homeboys a whole bunch of corned beef and we watching the game. Y'all about to eat some White Castle sliders and some hot and readies around this motherfucker when it's not gonna happen. I mean, you love your friends. You know, you wanna give them corned beef, potatoes, and you know, spoil them so that way they'll never leave your house again. Be my guest. Try it. Try it. Now, don't get this wrong. I've never cooked this shit before in my life. This is my first time cooking it. So don't take everything that I'm doing as like Bible. But I mean, if it turns out good, you're more than welcome to try this yourself. How it turns out, I can't make any promises. So now we about to wash our potatoes. Please, if you do this, make sure you wash your potatoes because there's a lot of dirt on potatoes and I don't think you want to be eating that. That's some nasty shit if you do. I use as an example. It's supposed to look something like this. Just, you know, a little bowl, just hollow it out. Take our potato that we washed off. First thing that you want to do, you want to slice off the top. Make sure you be careful and don't cut your fingers off. Make you a little opening to your bowl. Okay, so now that we got that done, and just start carving. So you make this as deep as possible. Obviously you can put more stuff in it. You don't want it to be like a whole bunch of, like a lot of potato left at the bottom of the spud because you're gonna be chewing for days. You want to kind of have it be like a thin layer around the walls of the potato, like the actual bowl, so that way you can be able to eat the whole bowl with it. you know, put your corned beef and your cheese and be able to enjoy it.
Paven, this shit crazy. This shit crazy.
So we got these done. Good. Look at that! Look at that! Delicioso! About to add the cheese to it. I've never made these before. This is the top of the head. Like, I came up with this just on some random shit, so don't take what I do for Bible. I'm not Gordon Ramsay, but I am nice though. I am nice. Throw that back in there. And I think they ready. Oh. So we just added our onion chips to it. And these good for parties too. This would be a nice little Super Bowl party little thing. If you care about your guests that much, because y'all know corned beef extremely expensive. But if you care about your guests, you know, go ahead and whip them up something like this. They'll love you forever. And we topped it off with our Thousand Island dressing. There we have it, fully done.